These are one of the best truly wireless earphone you can buy in the market right now. That's it. That's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Wait. Let's roll in. Hey, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fitech. First of all, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Whenever you're buying a truly wireless earphone for sports, you're always under the dilemma that whether you should go for a better sounding earphone or you should go for an earphone which offers you better battery backup, water resistance, and noise cancellation. The Sennheiser Sport TW earphone lies perfectly in this Venn diagram. I've been using this for almost past 7 months, and I can easily say that these are the best all-rounder earphones you can buy in the market right now. They're quite on the expensive side, but they offer a great quality for the price. After 7 months of putting these earphones through different phases on a daily basis, I'm ready to give you guys a full lowdown on these earphones. Also, I'll give you a small tip at the end of this video which can help you to take better care of your truly wireless earphone for longer life. Let's get started. Let's see the content of this box. When I open this, you get this promotional picture from Sennheiser. Let's keep that aside, and obviously you have your actual earphone with a carrying case. You get this in nice plastic wrapper. Let's keep that aside for a second. Obviously you have your instruction manual here. If you flip it over, you get your wrist strap, and also you have your USB to USB-C cable. Let's keep these also aside for a second. Let me show you the ear tips. You actually get 6 pairs of ear tip. You get this nice blue inlined ear tips as well. They are for a different purpose. We'll talk about that in a moment. Let's take a look at these earrings. You get basically 4 pairs of ear tips. Large, small, and medium are installed on the earphones already, and you get one without the earrings. And this is how actually the earphone looks like. Let's take a close look at the charging case as well as the earphones themselves. The charging case got this nice texture on top, and also this is matte black, and it's got this nice reflective black line which goes across the charging case. You also have a hook on the left side of this earphone to install the wrist strap. I personally don't see a purpose for it. Maybe they want you to use to hang it on the side of your backpack. I would personally not recommend you guys to do that. And on the bottom you have got your typical serial number, model number, and some QR code. The charging case has got a very strong hinge which makes this satisfying sound every time you close it, just like that. And you got a LED indicator on the front of the charging case, and if you check the rear, you get a USB-C charging port which is protected with this thick, strong rubber cap. The earbud themselves has got this nice industrial design with a Sennheiser logo on top, and the surface of the earphones is fully touch sensitive. I really dig how Sennheiser pays attention to the small details. The matching copper color logo on top of the charging case as well as in the earbuds looks super slick. It's a small touch, but it does show Sennheiser commitment towards great user experience. Spreading out on small details like this means that they do care about quality. On the earbuds, there are a couple of charging ports which connect to the charging pin on the charging case. I must tell you that the earphones are a bit chunkier and they do stick out of your ear. With included earrings, the earphones are super secure. No matter what you do, they are not falling off of your ear. Regardless of what kind of movement you're doing, be it boxing, jumping jacks, burpees, you name it, they are not coming off. They're practically glued to your ear. However, they do start to hurt your ear if you wear them for more than 1 hour. What I would recommend you is if your workout does not involve a lot of head movement, like if you're only doing weight training, treadmill, cross trainer, and a little bit of cardio and stuff like that, take the earrings completely off and just wear the earphones without the earrings. They're still very secure without the earrings. But if you still want to use the earrings, you can put the earphones for 30 minutes and take them off for like 5 minutes and then put them back. You should be good to go. Let's talk about the smartphone application. Whenever you connect the earphones to the application, this is how the interface is going to look like. You have this adaptable acoustic mode, and it gives you 2 options: focus and aware. Focus basically means that it kind of increases the noise cancellation a bit more. Remember, these are not active noise cancellation earphones, these are passive noise cancellation earphones. And when you go to aware, it kind of reduces the noise cancellation a bit more. That's why they include different types of ear tips. And you have equalizer, which gives you flexibility to change the bass, mid, and treble according to your needs, and you can save it as your own custom preset. and you also have some inbuilt presets according to the genre of music you're listening. As I said earlier, the earphone surface is actually touch sensitive, and in the application you can basically customize the functionality of the touch surface according to your needs. This is the default one, and also kept it to the default one itself. It also has this nice feature called as side tone, which basically lets you decide how much of your own voice you want to hear, especially when you are on call with a different person. And on the top of the application, you get to know how much charging is left in your individual earbuds, as well as on the charging case. And through the smartphone application itself, you can update the firmware of the earphones. So whenever there is a new firmware update available, you get a notification on the smartphone application. All you need to do is just connect the earphones and click on the update firmware button. My only problem here is key, even for the smallest of upgrade, let's say for a 907 KB ka firmware upgrade, it gives you an estimation of 19 minutes, and it actually takes more than 19 minutes. Kind of a dumb thing to do, because again, it's a very small file, right? 907 KB. I don't know why it takes 19 plus minutes, but it does take more than that. Talking about the battery life, the earbuds got a 55 mAh inbuilt battery and additional 400 mAh from the charging case. The earbuds themselves will last you 9 hours on a single charge, and an additional 18 hours of battery life through the charging case, which is humongous. They take close to 90 minutes to get fully charged from 0 to 100, and they also got this quick charge functionality where you charge these for 10 minutes and you will get a full playback of 1 hour. So if I use this, let's say 4 to 5 hours on a daily basis, I will easily get a full week of playback without even thinking to charge these again. And also they support Bluetooth codecs like SBC, AAC and aptX. There is no LDAC support on this, and these are IPX54 sweat and water resistant, and also they're not the best for gaming because there is a noticeable amount of latency. Now let's talk about the sound quality. These definitely do have that rich Sennheiser sound profile. The bass is slightly emphasized but not overpowering at all, providing a very good low end. The mids and highs are also of great quality and they sound very clear. And as long as you maintain a volume percentage of 20 to 80, the dynamic range of these also is very good. Whenever you cross the 80% volume limit, there is a small amount of quality drop, and also the sound feels a bit more distorted. And also it is a breeze to listen to podcasts through these earphones. I recommend you listen either Chris Willicks or Gaur Gopal Guruji through these. The vocal quality is so clean because those two have got a very distinctive voice and very clean voice, and it sounds superb when you listen to those two people through these. The audio quality in voice calls is also very good as long as you have got a good signal, and I have never experienced any sort of connection drop or any signal drops using these earphones. Obviously no earphone is a perfect earphone, and these are no exceptions. इसमें भी कुछ problems definitely है. So here are 3 problems which I have encountered while I have used these. Number 1, if you go to Amazon and check for these earphones, they kind of emphasize on that word noise cancellation a lot. So some might think that these are active noise cancelling earphone, but they are not. They are passive noise cancelling earphone. But to their credit, they do a great job of passive noise cancelling. Number 2 is the focus and aware adaptable acoustic mode. It practically makes no difference when you switch from focus to aware or from aware to focus. I've also tried to switch the actual ear tips like they want us to do. As I said, it makes no difference. It's not even a gimmick, it's more like a stupid gimmick because they expect you to change the ear tips for switching from one mode to another mode. I don't know who does that, but again, as I said, it is a stupid gimmick. Number 3, as I've said before, if you use them for a longer period of time with the included earwings, they will start hurting your ear. So if your usage does not include a lot of head movements, or you're just using it for casual media consumption, I would recommend you to simply take off the earwings and use them. Even without the earwings, the earphones are very secure. Also, I want to give you guys a full disclosure here. Just 1 month ago, the left earbud stopped working completely. It was connecting to the phone, it was accepting the inputs, but it was not just producing the sound. So I reached out to the Sennheiser support. They actually took the old one and shipped me the brand new one. So full credit to Sennheiser support team there, because it was not any physical damage or anything of that sort. It basically maybe an internal problem. I don't know the diagnosis of the ear tip, but yeah, it actually stopped working and Sennheiser actually replaced me with a brand new one. That's it. And as I promised, here's a small tip for you guys. So whenever you use a earphone for a workout where you are sweat a lot, and if your earbuds has caught any sort of sweat, what I recommend you guys is to take a dry cloth and fully rub these charging ports and on the earbuds as well as on the charging case. Once that is done, then you can go ahead and install them back. This will help you maintain the earphones for a longer period of time. I personally tried it and it works for me. I had another pair of JBL which practically stopped working after 4 months, because I think it's mainly because of the sweat. So that's it guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions about these earphones, do let me know in the comment sections. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And also please do consider subscribing to the channel. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.